Today's gonna be a really special day. I've been waiting for this package for a really long time. I'm gonna go and upgrade my roof rack on my Subaru Crosstrek. I've had all these items already there in my garage sitting there, and I was waiting for this roof rack to come in. And finally it's here. So today I'm gonna spend a whole day, today setting it up. First, my hair has been crazy lately because I'm growing it out and it's just too long and I don't really know what to do with it. It's not even perm anymore. I don't know why. Oh, I found a solution to this. That's better. Just throw on a hat when you have a bad hair day, you know what I mean? This is that box that I'm waiting for. This right here is Prinsu Design. This is my roof rack. And I'm trying to see if it fits in my car. Roof rack took up like almost from front to back of the car. It's a roof rack, so it better be the size of my car. It's really durable, made of aluminum. Today I'm gonna install that and add my other stuff on there, so can't wait to show you guys what the car looks like. This is how far it sticks up. Look at this. The box is right here. I'm just like right here. It's big. Oh, I'm so excited. I gotta run some errands first. I gotta go up to Subaru and pick up a switch so I can install my headlamp. Oh, wrong word. My light bar and my spotters. So then it looks kind of OEM. And then I have to go get some breakfast, coffee, lunch. And then we're gonna work all day. All day. Coffee, whoa, I am close. Coffee is being brewed right now. I got the big old package for everybody, and then got the donut. Just waiting on the coffee. 15 minutes. You know what that means? It means time to play some Smash. Thing's heavy. Oh. All right, I got my car in the shop and I'm ready to put on the roof rack, but first I gotta take off those two bars right there, and then I wanna do an unboxing just to show you guys what's inside this box. If you guys would order a Prinsu rack for the Subaru Crosstrek, this is what comes in it. The mission is to take those off, but in order to take those off, I have to undo everything up there. All this has to go down. It's a lot of work, a lot of tedious work, but it can be done. And then we're gonna unbox this. Design Studio Prinsu. what comes in here. It got a lot of screws. The bar, it's wrapped nicely. We got some cushion. Don't need that. More cushion. Here is the silencer. Well, kind of like wind reduction noise. I'm gonna leave that right there. And then we got part of the rack. Perfect stand for that. Here, more trash. Prinsu, super dope design. Got that there. And then here are the crossbars, a lot of them. I'm actually gonna leave this in here. There's a lot. There's also a silver one. I don't know about you guys, but when I do something like this, I like to lay everything out on the ground so I can see what I have and then what I'm gonna use next. So if they match each other, then I know what to use. We got a bunch of these bars. Got 2 there, and then now we have 3 more. Thing is, there's one silver one, which I need to read a manual because I don't know what that one's for. And this tube, which help kind of like reduce the wind noise. It's also there. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, what? They're so black, it's hard to tell. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then we also have 2 of these, probably go on each side. And then we have the front. So I laid all this down right here. I had to go to Harbor Freight and buy this. This is called a nut insert right here. And it's to insert this into the top of my frame. You screw this on, and when you press it, this thing, the pressure will push this right into the frame. This thing is about 25 bucks. This doesn't sponsor me, but that's where I got it. If you guys want to go to Harbor Freight and buy one, it comes with all these tools, but you really don't need anything. Just use the one they give you. And then all these black bolts right here goes into the crossbars. So all this black crossbars right here, that's where all these little bolt goes in. So you get all this right here. Put a washer into all of them, and then everything has a washer. And these right here goes into this silver one. Remember the silver one I was talking about? This silver one is actually for the front piece. This helps with the noise reduction right here, and I'll put that on here so it will look like this right there, just like that. Okay, screw this on, put this in, screw it in. So all of them like that, and all of this right here, you would want to put them onto the screw so you can get rid of all the air because it's liquid and it'll dry and it won't just unscrew itself as you're off-roading or putting stuff on there. All that, and then you put the rack on, and then we'll be done. Let's do it. This video is gonna be a really long video, so I'm gonna cut this to 2 parts. First part will be the unboxing, which is this video you're watching. And if you like this video and you really wanna know how to install it on your Crosstrek or maybe another car that you might have, it might be similar because the setup of the Prinsu Roof Rack is the same. The crossbar goes in the same way, and even the front goes in the same spot. So make sure you check that next video out. I'm gonna leave it right there. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing because I know that I was curious what it comes with, and then I can know what accessories I can buy. Pretty neat. All right, hope you guys enjoy this video. Check out the next one because that one is gonna be installation. A lot of stuff. Took me all day. Whew. All right, catch you guys in the next one. See you.